Kublai phibara session part kene ke video kebamta ngan pentip syafi yaki khobor laikam walapan mi daka Gramin Health Care Recruitment Arajar Apsau Center Manager Healthcare Meghalaya. Dia sampai jika ke video hadu banakut nang bapin singutho company akabayday bat kene ki post namar bakibun bha ki post ki balaj aki jaka baper Wajah kini ki post bapi ban apply kadai yaki kandidat ki bala pendep yaka graduate sajrong bapi ban apply Gramin Healthcare Meghalaya Recruitment 2024 notification. Gramin Healthcare, a healthcare organization dedicated to providing medical facilities to rural areas in Meghalaya, invites online application from eligible candidate for the post center manager health officer position. The last date for submission of the application is 31/12/2024. Kajing penbena nakamenta bantungkam haka Gramin Healthcare Meghalaya Government Arajar Apsau Gramin Healthcare kalakot online application nakamenta ki eligible candidate jong ki post center manager lane health officer nakamenta ban penbiang yaki lat Sumar Sya Kijaka Nongkendong Ibadai Hapo Kajela Meghalaya. Pada katarik bakhadu bakin pedang yaki application kandai hadu ka live poitarik Disemba Arajar Arpsau. Yasalaj ban apply yakini ki post lada Fidon Kamon Perteng jong ki post kadai center manager health officer. Number of post multiple location. Teki post ki bun bha ki balaj aki jala haki jaka baper nang taka location kadai nong selong kajaka kadai hak nong selong nang taka salary negotiable nak kamenta kajing seu pat hidang la ru banyak ren akabedai bat kajing seu. Eligible criteria: any graduate, postgraduate, BHMS, BAMS. Kedai pendep yaka graduate, postgraduate, sajrong, BHMS, BAMS, nakamenta kini ki post. Bat ke experience sisnem hadu sansnem. Yakum no ban apply kini ki post center manager health officer. Interest and eligible candidate can send their CV to career@graminhealthcare.com. Yaki kandidat ki bakwa ban apply yakini ki post pat pihak ban pa yaki CV ki jongpi syaka career@graminhealthcare.com haswa ka live poiterik Disembar Arajar Apsau. Ka Gramin Healthcare Meghalaya kawat yaki breu ubadon kecing angnut ki breu ki badon yaki cing angnut bat basyam phang kabakrau ban yasno bat ka penhun jongka Gramin Healthcare kum center manager bat ki babiang bha bat undon kajing tibet nakamenta kam ban yalam bat baklain bat kajing tibet ha kaseng kababha bat kajing singutenat ban penbena yaki jing syakri syapang kakot kakya aki jaka nongkendong kajing kit ki kentop yaka jing pej yaki jing trikam baman lakasngi jong ki sentar ban penyat yaki nong trei ban penyat yaki jing sumar yaki nong pang ban pentikna yaka jing ai jing syakri gaba bahatam kenang bahkan wanra yaka jing kela kakot kecya apo kejela Meghalaya datang kini kicik pentep hakabaydai bat kini yaki post kublai sibon ngen session 4.